Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, it is with pleasure that I address you on this special occasion, the 10th anniversary of the International Criminal Court. In 2002, words on paper were turned into tangible reality as the court established itself. The first decade has consolidated this institution as a credible, independent, and effective tool for the international community to fight impunity. As early as 2003, status parties started referring situations to the court. In 2005, the United Nations Security Council referred the Darfur situation. In 2011, for the second time, the United Nations Security Council unanimously referred the Libya situation. Despite the challenges faced to date and the ongoing peace and justice discussions, the court is now acknowledged as a key actor in the global efforts to promote peace and stability. To succeed in implementing its judicial mandate, the court must rely on predictable, sustained, and effective cooperation from status parties. In this respect, a delicate equilibrium should be carefully managed between the necessary cooperation received from status parties and the necessity to preserve the court's integrity, legitimacy, and judicial independence. During the court's first decade, the registry has navigated uncharted territories and has played a central role in ensuring the effective exercise of the rights of victims under the Rome Statute. As a result of the registry's efforts, more than 11,000 applications were received by the court in the last 12 months alone, and 4,000 have been granted participation by the judges. A novel and groundbreaking witness and victims protection toolkit has been established. To date, over 400 individuals have been benefiting from protection measures, and consequently, no witnesses have sustained harm as a result of their interaction with the court. Ensuring high quality of defense endowed with the necessary means to give true meaning to the principle of equality for harms, as well as high legal representation for victims, is central to the mandate of the court. To date, the registry provides assistance to 13 council teams and is managing a list of more than 400 councils. In addition, the registry is assisting the Trust Fund for Victims, a novel body under the statute, which has supported assistance projects targeting over 8,000 victims in the Democratic Republic of the Congo and northern Uganda. Through its innovative and tailored outreach campaigns, the registry has reached an estimated 70 million people, notably through local radio and television programs, thus bringing justice close to those awaiting it for so long. The court's achievements are the results of the tireless efforts of its dedicated and highly qualified staff originating from 100 countries. I hereby convey my appreciation. The effective implementation of the court's judicial mandate was greatly facilitated by the establishment of the field presence. Over the years, they have proved to be instrumental tools in bridging the gap between the Hague and the situation countries. They are the public face of the court in these countries. They have facilitated the timely and meaningful delivery of the court's proceedings in its various stages to the affected communities, thus increasing their confidence in the international criminal justice system. I would like to take this opportunity and convey my sincere appreciation for the commitment and hard work of the national and international staff in the field. I would also like to thank the key actors of the international justice system for their support and assistance over the years. I'm referring here to status parties, the host states, the United Nations, development and rule of law agencies, civil society, and others. Before concluding, I would like to underline that the Court is now stronger, more universal, and more respected than ever. In learning the lessons of the past and facing the challenges of the future, we must not forget the immense achievement that this institution represents for the peace, security, and well-being of humanity. For the decades to come, to ensure the successful continuation of this unique institution, sustain the efforts and unwavering cooperation of the status parties and other actors of the international justice system created by the Rome Statute are greatly needed. I wish a prosperous and successful future to the ICC, and I thank all its actors and contributors.